Hey buddy, what's going on this afternoon?
Nothing much.
Yeah, what are you doing here?
Gonna skydive.
Yeah?
Super nervous.
Super nervous?
Yes.
Whose idea was it to go skydiving?
My grandparents and my sister. They just somehow convinced me to come along.
So they talked you into it, huh? Well, I must ask, are you excited on top of being a little nervous?
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright, bud, well, here in just a moment, we're gonna head right out there. There's an airplane gonna be waiting on us. It's gonna pick us up, and it's gonna take us 13,500 feet up into that wild blue sky. Then we're gonna throw ourselves back down to this big ball of dirt we call Earth at over 120 miles per hour. Sound like a plan?
I guess.
Hey, bud, give me a high five. We'll see you out there. Let's have some fun.
Like anything was possible, hit cruise control and rub my eyes. The last 3 days, and the rain was unstoppable. It was always cold, no sunshine. Yeah, running down a dream that never would come to me, working on a mystery, going wherever it leads, running down a dream.
you feeling, Noah?
Awesome. That was so awesome.
Yeah? What was your favorite part, man? Jumping out of that airplane or being underneath the parachute?
I think it was underneath the parachute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bird's eye view up there.
Yeah.
Nothing else in the world like it, man.
It's great.
So I'm gonna ask you one question, brother. If you could say something to someone who has never done this in their life, what would you tell them right now in this very moment?
Just do it. I mean, once you do it, once you're out of the airplane, it's just like, man, it's awesome.
Pure bliss, brother.
Yeah.
Hey man, give me a high five. You did absolutely awesome.
Thank you.
Come back and see us right here at Skydive City in beautiful Zephyr Hills, Florida.
Yes, sir.
Yeehaw!